It's Friday. We made it. It's been a long week. And all you want to do is go somewhere, sit down, relax, and have a slice of pizza. But have you ever wondered how pizza is made? From the flour and water mixture that S used to make the dough to the tomato and pesto sauce on top of the pizza, how is it all made? Well, today we're going to look at how pizza is made. We all start with the dough, because without the dough, there wouldn't be anything to put sauce on. The first step in making the dough is mixing flour and water together. The ratio of flour to water will vary depending on the recipe and the desired outcome. But generally speaking, you want to use enough flour to absorb all the water and then some. The dough will be too wet and sticky if there's too much water, and it'll be too dry and tough if there's not enough. Once the flour and water mixture is made, it's time to add the yeast and let the dough rise. Yeast is a type of fungus that eats sugar and excretes alcohol and carbon dioxide as waste. When you add yeast to a dough, it starts to eat the sugar in the dough and produce carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide gas makes the dough rise and become light and airy. To make the dough rise, you'll need to let it sit in a warm place for about an hour or until doubled in size. Once the dough has risen, it's time to roll it out and get it ready to be topped with sauce and other ingredients. The dough should be rolled out into a circle or rectangle, depending on what kind of pizza you're making. Once the dough has been rolled out, it's time to add the sauce. Pizza sauce is typically made from tomatoes, but can also include other ingredients such as basil, oregano, and garlic. The sauce is spread over the dough using a spoon or a spatula. Once the sauce has been added, it's time to add the toppings. Popular pizza toppings include pepperoni, sausage, mushrooms, and onions. The toppings are added on top of the sauce, and then the pizza is baked. Now let's talk about the sauce. Pizza sauce is typically made from tomatoes, but can also include other ingredients such as basil, oregano, and garlic. The sauce is spread over the dough using a spoon or a spatula. Once the sauce has been added, it's time to add the toppings. Popular pizza toppings include pepperoni, sausage, mushrooms, and onions. The toppings are added on top of the sauce, and then the pizza is baked. Finally, let's discuss how cheese is made. Cheese is made by curdling milk or cream. This is done by adding acid, such as lemon juice or vinegar, to the milk or cream. The acid causes the proteins in the milk or cream to coagulate, which forms curds. The curds are then separated from the whey, which is the liquid that remains after the curds have been removed. The curds are pressed together to form a solid block of cheese. Cheese can be aged for a period of time to allow the flavors to develop. Fresh cheese is typically softer and more moist, while aged cheese is typically harder and drier. So next time you enjoy a slice of pizza, remember all the steps that go into making this delicious food. From the dough, to the sauce, to the toppings, to the cheese, each step is important in creating a pizza that is worth eating. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your pizza. And don't forget to tip your delivery driver well. They work hard to bring you this delicious food. All right, class. Dismissed. Check your learning by taking the quiz in the description. Hit a 100% and you'll be entered into a weekly gift card drawing. Every week, we are re-giving away $10,000 in gift cards and for the grand finale at the end of the course. We're giving away $100,000 in cash. Every episode you watch and every quiz you take will get you closer to winning that money. Don't wait. Start watching and quizzing today. I think we can all agree that pizza is one of the best foods ever invented. There's just something about a hot, cheesy slice of pizza that hits the spot no matter what you're feeling. But did you know that pizza was invented over 200 years ago in Italy? Today, pizza is enjoyed all over the world, and there are countless variations of this beloved dish. No matter how you like your pizza, though, we can all agree that it's a delicious and satisfying meal. Whether you're in the mood for a pepperoni pizza or a veggie lover's pizza, there's a pizza out there for everyone. So next time you're hungry, why not treat yourself to a slice of pizza? You won't regret it. Hey, thanks for watching. You liked the video? Make sure to subscribe so you never miss an episode. We'll see you next time.